small railway station in India. A little boy walked between crowded trains carrying a kettle of hot tea. Nobody knew his name. Nobody imagined his future. He was poor. He had no powerful family. No luxury. No shortcuts. But inside that young boy lived a dream bigger than his circumstances. That the boy would one day become the Prime Minister of India. This is the inspiring story of Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi was born on September 17, 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat. His family was financially weak. They lived in a small house with very limited resources. His father sold tea near the railway station. As a young boy, Narendra helped him serve tea to passengers. Every day he watches people come and go, travelers, workers, soldiers and families. The station became his classroom of his life. Even though life was difficult, Narendra was curious and disciplined. Teachers noticed something different about him. He loved debates, theatre and public speaking. But deep inside he wanted to do something meaningful for the country. While many children dreamt of comfort, young Narendra dreamt of service. As a teenager, he was deeply inspired by spirituality and patriotism. He travelled across India, visiting temples, mountains and spiritual centers. These journeys changed him. He saw poverty. He saw struggle. He saw people fighting daily battle just to survive. And slowly, one thought grew in his mind. I want to dedicate my life to the nation. Narendra Modi eventually joined social and political activities. He became known for his discipline, hard work and long working hours. Unlike many politicians, he came from ordinary background. No political dynasty. No inherited power. Step by step, he climbed through dedication. People noticed his ability to organize, communicate, and connect with common people. Years later, he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. His leadership style attracted national attention. Supporters praised his vision and confidence. Critics questioned him strongly. But one question was undeniable. Narendra Modi had become one of the most talked about leaders in India. Then came the historic year, 2014. India watched one of the biggest elections in history. A man who once sold tea at a railway station was now standing as a candidate for Prime Minister. Many people connected with his life story. They saw hope. They saw struggle. They saw determinants. And finally, Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India. From a tea seller to the leader of the world's largest democracy, Narendra Modi's story teaches us something powerful. Success is not decided by where you start. Every great story starts from small.